The 3-minute step test, a physical fitness test used in physical education. This test helps measure our cardiovascular endurance or how well our heart and lungs work during physical activity.
The purpose of the 3-minute step test is to check how fast the heart recovers after exercise. This test is important because it helps us understand our fitness level and encourage us to live a healthy and active lifestyle.
For this test, we need a step bench, a stopwatch, a metronome or phone app, and chair. Before starting, make sure to warm up properly and wear comfortable shoes to avoid injury.
Step up and down the bench following the routine. Up, and down, down. The stepping pace is 96 beats per minute. Continue stepping for 3 minutes without stopping. After finishing, sit down immediately and prepare to check your pulse.
After the test, count your heart rate for 1 minute. A lower heart rate means better cardiovascular fitness. Always remember to stop if you feel dizzy or tired. Thank you for watching our demonstration of the 3-minute step test. We hope you learned something today. Bye!